Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop. And this here is my 1993 Nissan 300ZX convertible scrap car. No, not parts car. Compared to the last episode, as you can see, I'm going to be a little jerky here, folks. Sorry. I got the frame lowered down so she's not up high, as low as she'll go in the front and rear. This should make it a lot more stable. And I tweaked the front here so it catches it all the way to get it so that I can cut the car up, which I'm going to continue to do to get rid of more scrap. So that is what it is. All right, we're going to put you guys on time warp. So 3, 2, 1. time warp done, guys. I'm gonna probably call it quits for the day. Sorry about that. Hang on. I'm gonna call it quits for the moment. As you can see behind me here, I've gotten pretty much the trunk area done up to the front inside here almost. Let's take a look at it real fast. This has all been removed, the whole fender well here. I've gotten bore starting where the gas tank is for the rear subframe. Got gone. Got that side chewed up. Yeah, so we're making headway. Part of the reason I stopped is I got other stuff going on today. One of my favorite teams is playing this afternoon, Iowa State. Just to let you know, because I'm in Iowa. That being said, yeah, it's probably gonna do it for today. Hopefully, the camera battery died, so I'm not sure what you guys are gonna saw or have seen getting the stuff off. But it's just changing blades, redoing them, just keep chopping. I know it's a small, tedious process, and it's taking me a while, but I'm getting there. And to the gentleman who wants the floorboards, please contact me if you want them. Tell me what you want. Maybe we can work something out. If not, I'm gonna get rid of them as is. That being said, anyone who's fixing one of these cars, hopefully the sunlight's not too bad behind me. Let's try one of those. Here, we'll do this. Let me address the guys who are fixing one of these. If you have a lot of rust, unless it's sentimental to you, as in you're an original owner or maybe you've owned it for 2 decades, I don't know if I'd save it. I mean, that's just my honest truth. It's going to cost you so much money and energy. Now, that being said, if you have the ability to do the welding yourself, do the fabrication, hey, it could be worth it. It's up to you. But good clean shells aren't super expensive. They are coming up in price these days. That is true. I can't say they're not. I mean, it does make me happy a little bit, but makes me sad at the same time. Because these cars were pretty much flying under the radar for quite a while. And now it seems like in the last, I would say, year, maybe 2, they've decided to start coming up in value, which is nice. I mean, I'm not going to lie about that, but to be honest with you, it kind of disheartens me because I think we've already seen the bottom dollar of these things. Now, that being said, you've got ones that are really tanked out and trashed. I mean, you'll always get those dirt cheap. I mean, these things are getting wrecked still, guys. I've seen guys post on it. Really disheartening. I'm real happy they all survive. Real sad to see the car, especially with a lot of time, money, and love put into them, to enjoy them, to have them, just get wrecked by somebody in an SUV not paying attention on their cell phone or anything of that nature. Like I said, anything with rust, unless it's sentimental or it's really obscure, it's hard to justify fixing rust sometimes. It just really is. It's almost better in the long run to buy a clean shell and swap everything over to redo it all. That's my personal opinion. Don't take that for gospel. That's just how it is. That also being true is, if you're going to build one of these cars, this is for any car. This is whether it's muscle car, an import car, any car you're building. It is always significantly cheaper to buy it built than to build it yourself. I know that's hearsay to say, because everyone's like, oh, built, not bought. And I'm like, yeah, but when you add up all the receipts at the end of the day, it's cheaper to go buy one built than bought. That's just dollars and cents, guys. I mean, I'm running an Excel spreadsheet on my car, and it's a number that I don't even want to fathom, and it's nowhere near perfect. Now, it's not perfect, but it's perfect for me. Why? Because I get to enjoy it. I drive it. I had fun. I drove it yesterday to work. It was 70s outside. Heck, I think it was in the 80s yesterday. And this next week, we're going to plummet into the 40s. I mean, we're just having big swings here in November in Iowa. It just is what it is. Once again, I feel like I'm rambling here. It's just me slicing, but I just thought I'd give you guys some insight on what it takes to chop one of these things up, what they're built like, which I think they're actually quite well. It's taken me a while, but I got to find spots to cut with a 6-inch and a 9-inch blade to do it. Now, I have been told, and I know it would go faster if I had at least a 6-inch or bigger grinder cutting wheel and do it. I just don't want the dust everywhere in my garage. I just don't want to deal with it. It wrecks paint. It gets everywhere. It gets in your lungs. At least this just falls to the floor and I can deal with it. You know, it is. My arms get a little shaky. I don't know if you can see it right now or not, but that's what happens. So, okay, that's going to end today's video, guys. If you have any comments or questions, hit me up, you know. So, just let me know. Once again, my name is Z James. This is Z32 Workshop, and I hope to see you tomorrow or in the comments. Take care. Bye.